I'm the youngest, and my brother and sister each have 2 boys that are in their late teens, and so I asked them, I was like, what piece of advice do you have? I remember asking them, and they were really practical things. The main one was, don't be a line order cook. Make your kid eat what you're eating for dinner.
Yeah.
Don't be like, we're having dinner, but you get to have your chicken fingers or your corn dogs because that's all you eat. Be like, you don't like curry? Tough.
Don't eat tonight. You're gonna get hungry enough, you'll eat that curry. I grew up that way. Of course, my mom just opened up a can of Franco-American spaghetti, and we were really happy.
Yeah,
we liked
totally.
it.